Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a channel on YouTube website. So first of all, let me just tell you that blocking a channel on YouTube is not actually available like literally blocking, but you can actually stop them like from or stop you from saying their videos or anything or any other thing maybe. So all you need to do first is just go and use or sorry, open any browser you will be using, of course, or you could be possibly using. For me, I'm using Brave. You could be using another browser, of course it should be working. So then you'd like to go here to the URL, type youtube.com and hit the enter button. So here, that will actually be my home or main screen of youtube.com. And let's say as an example, let's scroll down a bit. So let's say as an example, I don't want to see this channel's videos and I want to kind of block it. So let me just go and open their channel. So as you can see here, let's just stop. So as you can see here, let's as an example, I don't want to see this YouTube like channel anymore. So if I click here at about, I'll have here the option of report user. Of course, as you can see here, you can actually block user, but let me just go and click on that. As you can see here, blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you've uploaded. So it's not actually like blocking channels, so they will be able to see your videos and you will be able to see their videos. But you can of course block. I'm just gonna click at submit. If you want to block, of course you can unblock if you go and click at the same thing. But what you want to actually do is go to their videos or to his videos, click at the three dots. Of course, if it's on like here your main screen, you will find this option of not interested or do not recommend this channel. So click on that and they will not even the videos of the user will not even appear to you and you will be totally blocking them. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.